Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Hello, you guys. Hello, you guys. It's Krissy back with another video. Y'all, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then you might as well subscribe, simply because me and my K-babies are lit, and we lit because we're really like that. Period. And if you subscribe, you most definitely lit too. That's it. That's all. And that's just that. And if you haven't already, you might as well hit that subscribe button. Click that like button. And also, for real, turn on the notification bell so you know when I post lit content. Period. Your girl's trying to be consistent. But anyways, y'all, I'm so tired. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm trying not to ramble. I'm just trying to get straight to the point. So, my class is until 10:50, and I could have got up later, but I always get up early, especially if I don't do my hair the night before, just so in case it does not turn out how I want it to. Then I can switch it up for the one time. Well, not switch it up for the one time, but switch it up if I don't like it, if you get what I'm saying. So, my nails look good in this light, and even though y'all see I need a filling, right? They're coming off this weekend because I gotta do hair. Okay, but y'all gonna see in a previous video. Oh, my girls are just so cute. Y'all see them? In a previous video, I don't know if I'm gonna post this video first or the one where I was doing my hair, but basically I was just prepping my hair for this morning. My curls aren't defined, but they're pretty defined because it's a product that I use. But you gotta watch the previous video to find that out. Okay, okay, baby, glowing. Okay, but I'm gonna be doing a swoop. I really don't feel like doing no swoop, but I'm gonna do a swoop. I'm gonna do a swoop with 2 low buns, and I kind of already prepped it. This is for my swoop. Yes, this is probably a lot of hair, but y'all gotta remember your girl's hair is thick. I'm scared that my thumb in the middle ain't straight, but it's okay. And then, you know, the two little knot buns I'm gonna do, if they turn to knot buns, because my hair is so thick. But we finna just get straight to the video. The product that I'm going to be using, you already know, to slick my hair back is Eco Styler, and my, can y'all see that? My True Edge. Okay.
Y'all already know how much. Y'all already know what I do with this. I just kind of like put this kind of like over it, so it's kind of like just a clean finish.
Got these from Walmart. slick, for real, for real, for real, for real, for real, for real. Okay, so for this part, of course, I'm gonna fast through it because you already saw what I did this time. I'm just gonna be doing the same. So now we finna do my swoop de doop 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 doop. Next step I'm gonna do, take out some of these bobby pins. I don't think I'm gonna need that many. Let me do this side first. All right, now I'm pin. The fact that my professor ain't canceled class yet, and I know y'all hear the rain. I know y'all hear it. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this side around now. If I can get the thing to act right. Okay, y'all, so I done did that. I feel like this side look a little different from this side. But I don't know, the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna do my edges. I guess you could say. Okay, so boom. Why is it coming out like that? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take this off so y'all can see how it looks. I'm low-key kind of scared. This junk cute. It's real cute. Like, super cute. I feel like I need to do this brown over. Because it look a little... We gotta puff it out some, but it was looking a little on the small side. And I ain't had too much like that. If y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, I think that's better. I think. It's real cute. Okay, well that'll be all for this video. If you have not hit that subscribe button, you might as well hit it. You might as well tap it. All of that. Also, turn on that notification bell so you know when I post lit content, period. And also like, share, comment, all of that. Y'all already know my motto. Stay lifted and stay encouraged. Always. Love you, K-Baby.
Blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my